If you can heat water, you can cook like a pro with this, My Sous Vide. My secret for cooking restaurant-style meals at home, any day of the week. My Sous Vide takes a culinary method of using a water bath and precise temperature to vacuum seal heat and intensify the flavor of your favorite foods. Cooked to perfection every time. Guaranteed. Traditional ways of cooking can result in uneven texture and loss of moisture. With My Sous Vide, every bite is a good bite, and it's so easy to use. My Sous Vide delivers ease, versatility, and consistent culinary results in 3 easy steps. Seal food in a vacuum sealable bag. Set the temperature using the backlit dial. Sear for a crispy finish. Works on a grill too. Rare, medium, or well, cook steak to perfection every time. Fish is flaky, not dry. Cook eggs just right. And overdone veggies are a thing of the past. So is the guesswork. Here's why it's special. Ultra-precision sensors offer total temperature control to consistently preserve flavor and nutrients. My Sous Vide fits on any 10-inch pot. The large display puts the controls at your fingertips. And bright LED backlighting lets you check progress without missing a beat. Stainless steel construction makes it sleek, sturdy, and easy to clean. Turn your kitchen nightmares into a gourmet dream with My Sous Vide.